Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and you can never predict how the weather's going to go when you're on the trail. So that's why I really like this Little Donkey Andy women's raincoat. Not only do I absolutely love the brand name because I am a huge fan of donkeys, but I am also in love with the design of this raincoat. It is very lightweight. It's a shell, so that means it's not meant to keep you warm, but it actually does do a good job keeping your body heat in. It blocks the wind, it blocks the rain. It has so many pockets. I love the little pocket on the left breast side, so you can fit a lot of things in. I'm a big pocket person, and sometimes if you are hiking when it's raining, but it's not necessarily super cold, you need that protection to keep you dry, but sometimes it can start getting warm, and that's why this jacket has these side vents underneath the arm. They zip open, and that now allows airflow to go through to your body to cool you off. I fell in love with the color. I'm very big into standing out, easily seen, and when you look at the material, it's so well put together. The seams, the zippers, the elastic, even on the inside, I really like how the seams are. I think the hood is so well designed. It stays up but goes out a little bit from your face so that the water is not going to be dripping over your face. It's going to just be dripping out in front of it. It has two spots where you can tighten it, especially if not only is it rainy but also windy. That really just makes this hood a lot more secure. If you're looking for a beautiful, fashionable, useful raincoat, this is the coat for you. It makes you prepared for whatever comes your way, and that's my point of view.